in Ozamiz City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
This committee hearing and at the same time public hearing was being undertaken because of a letter sent to our Vice Mayor. Can you read this letter, Mr. Secretary? Can you read this letter?
Yes, Honorable Chair. To Honorable Simplicia Oneri, City Vice Mayor, Ozamiz City, through Honorable Cecil Waiko, Chairman Committee on Education, and to Honorable John Phil D. Duhay Lungsod, Chairman Committee on Sports. Dear Honorables, greetings of peace. I hope this letter finds you well. I am Iba Marie Joy M. Kalahat, a resident of Purok Dos, Barangay Mulikay, Ozamiz City. Aduna ko'y anak nga kasamtangang nag-eskwela sa Ozamiz City Central School. Ang ako alang unta concern during the district meet last August 2025, only one couple, which is ang ako ang anak, ang nag-inusara nga contestant sa dance sports Latin category. So meaning, to say siya ang mo represent sa Ozamiz City Central School sa City Meet Pohon sa Latin category. Okay na ang tanan, humana sila medical sa iya partner, and sige na og practice para sa upcoming City Meet. But recently lang nagdala sa amua labi na sa ko anak og kalibog kahibulong kaguol og kabalaka nga dunay laing mo represent sa dance sport sa Ozamiz City Central School para sa City Meet Pohon. According sa amua nakalap nga impormasyon, transferi kini gikan sa Jimenez Central School. Si even represented Jimenez Central School sa dance sport last September 18, 2025 dito sa Panaon, and sad to say napildi siya. Ang ako lang dakong pangutana, ngano mo represent man siya sa Ozamiz City Central School nga wala man siya during sa district meet nga nahitabo last August 2025. Ako manghinaot nga unta matubag og mahatagan kami og klaro nga eksplanasyon kabahin ani panghitaboa. Dili kinilalim sa ako ang part, labi na sa ako anak. Daghang salamat og kanunay asin sa Ozamiz kaninyo matinahuron, Iba Marie Joy M. Kalahat.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. The said letter was brought before us during our session last Monday, first Monday of the month, October 6, and it was deliberated by this August body about the implications of the letter. At first glance, wala may kabalog kung sa'y mga napaluyo sa mga letter. But there are certain matters which need to be verified because it might be imbued with public interest, especially it concerns a minor, elementary, and then we have a law, the Public Act 2062, which is a law which prohibits violation against women and children, and this might affect the woman, the mother, and the child concerned. So we want to know the real facts. We only hear the one side of the coin, so we need to verify and upon recommendation of the Committee on Education Chair, Honorable Sihilco, wala na mo ipatawag ang bata o inahan. Hasta tong among naibawaan nga murag kompetitor nga lain po nga bata nga contestant. Wala na mo ipatawag. Gusto na may mesayod sa mga concerned stakeholders unsa ka matawran before we'll have to make any recommendation, any decision on this matter. Kay sa Ozamiz City, we parallel division nga good governance nya ang atong LGU na suporta gyud sa DepEd sa ilang tanang pangkailangan, kung mahimo tanang pangkailangan, no? Heblo man si Luwago na nga suporta gyud ang LGU, and we not want to have minor institutions nga makapital sa DepEd. We love DepEd, no? Di mo gusto mamansahan ang DepEd o gamay mansa nga maapel ang LGU, no? Because we always paraded good governance. That's why this probe this afternoon. Because we have knowledge, we verified from the chairman of the Committee on Sports and Youth Development, Honorable Drillan. So, kung nabasin ba ang hitabuhak, ang jurisdiction, he narrated to us the information which he knew about this particular letter. And may we ask also again, Honorable Drillan, also to relay the information which he received from the mother of the writer of this letter. I think you have made a conversation with the mother. Can you relay it to the public?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Good afternoon, everyone, to the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Ozamiz City. Again, last August 3, I received this letter signed by the mother, Mrs. Eva Marie Joy M. Kalahat, and personally, siya mo'y gahatod sa letter sa kuang office with my colleagues, Honorable Cecil Ko, as the chairman of the Committee on Sports. Kay concern man ani ang ako ang komitiba nga gigunitan dinis Sangguniang Panlungsod. And to reiterate the concern, if I'm not mistaken, ma'am, last August 8, 2025, nahuman ang district meet sa Ozamiz City Central School, sakto mo ko, ma'am, which is ang district 2, matod pa sa parents, is composed only sa Ozamiz City Central School. And ang ilahang anak ni Ma'am Eva Marie, is already proclaimed as the winner during sa district meet sa dance contest, Latin category. No? So ang ilahang concern kay matod pa based sa ilahang letter nga gipadala. That's why we need also to hear the side of the Department of Education just to seek a clarification about this. Is ready na ang ilahang anak, i-undergo na og practice, also medical na mention, i-undergo na para gyud nga fit to mo appeal sa to ang division meet nga ga-opening karon nga day. So ang ilahang concern is nabalaka sila kay dunay transferee from the district of Jimenez last 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, based sa gisulti po sa parents nga gi-enroll sa Ozamiz City Central School, and one of the reason matud pa nga gawas nga mupadayon sa pag-eskwela sa Ozamiz City Central School is also one of the reasons is also to compete sa tuwang ipahigayon nga division meet, which is mo nay need na to clarification karon tungod kay already proclaimed na ang bata, and why naa na po'y karon naabot sa parents nga nganong lahi ang more compete or nganong mag-compete na pod sila kay same man sila category, whereas nahuman naman ang district meet last August 8, 2025 nga wala man nakakumpit ang gikan sa Jimenez nga mga students nga humana naman pod sila og ilahang division meet. Anyway, on my part as the chairman of the Committee on Sports, of course, we are so happy, Mr. Chair, that personally naa ang presence ato ang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent together with the ato ang SGOD Chief, which is under ang kaning sports, Ma'am Pongasi. Ma'am, thank you. And the supervisor of the District 2, the principal, thank you. At least, sa na-mention sa ato ang Honorable Presiding Officer, matagaan na to og unsa gyud side sa DepEd ani gyud nga complain gikan sa parents nga nung naabot sa punto nga instead ang ilahang anak nga maoy mo compete sa atuang ongoing karon nga division meet nganong naabot sa point nga instead siya na mo compete na pug otro or siya na lang gyud ang taga Jimenez na lang gyud ang mo represent. So at least matagaan o kana ra man gyud ang atuang main point. And one thing is gusto po damong mapaabot is during sa competition, we will stick ba sa, Mr. Chair, we will stick ba sa overall nga ranking or just we will say it will depend o kinsa ang ipadala sa DepEd gikan sa district meet. So kana nga mga things ang gusto po mo ma-clarify diri sa sanggunian if unsay mga basis. Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Honorable John Pell, the Chairman of the Committee on Sports. We would like also to receive info also from the Chairman of the Committee on Education. Unsay ang initial information about this before we'll inquire further, no? So we'll hear from Honorable Cecil Co, the Chairman of the Committee on Education.
Thank you.
Ma'am Cecil, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. As what the Honorable Jan Pelduhay Lungsod has narrated of the said letter, this sanggunian is more concerned on the welfare of the contestants or our our learners athlete, so that today because the city meet is already has already started this morning and is ongoing, so we had to invite you, the DepEd, our partner in the academe, so that this situation or this complaint of the mother will be given clear explanation and clarification by our DepEd officers. So maybe later on, as we go along with our inquiry, this is I would just like to remind this body that this is not a court hearing. This is just an inquiry as to what happened and as to the verification of the story of the side of the mother. So with that, Mr. Chair, maulang na ang akong ipasabot sa ato ang stakeholders karong adlaw na ang atong tumong is to seek clarification and the official statement from the DepEd. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Co. Before we proceed, the Chair acknowledges the presence of Honorable Dincisiso, Honorable Sal Salvador, and Honorable John Moralion. So, thank you. At least we have initial information now from Honorable John Pell, the Chairman of the Committee on Sports, and Honorable Co, the Chairman of the Committee on Education. And this affair matters also referred to Committee on Justice and Human Rights, chaired by Honorable Lani Lao. To my committee, the Committee on Laws and Style, kaya na balaod nga, posible nga nabalitan kaya kung napiktahan ang mother o ang child, ang emotions, there might be psychological violation, no? Na covered sa Public Act 9262, violation against women and children. But we have to verify that. Kaya ato to, matupan ni Honorable Ko, di man hearing. This is just approved an investigation in aid of this decision, no? Sa website pa sa sanggunian, kay we don't want to let this pass. Kaya mahungihong sa gawas nga tapos ng dalanggan, di gusto ang pasadan. Kaya we want to maintain a clean slate for DepEd in relation to the job Ozamiz. So, I hope that's understood. Honorable Inciso, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. In addition to that, Mr. Chair, this is just a reminder that aside from the manifestation, this is not a disciplinary action. We always believe in the academic freedom of the DepEd, and we also believe that you have the exhaustion of administrative remedies. We have your grievance machinery or grievance committee that we're going to have this, but we were just alarmed regarding the timeline of the incident because the complainants slash learner only availed of the information a week. So if we consider timeline, tomorrow will be, I believe, I presume tomorrow will be the opening, or today's the opening, tomorrow is the starting of the games. And we always believe you have your protocols inside the DepEd, but since of the timeline, we consider it urgent. That is why this is just only approved. To really know from your side, because we don't want to hear other side of the story. We need also to hear your story regarding this matter. And if there's any other misunderstanding, maybe we could correct it so that we could avoid it in the future. Again, we always emphasize that the state will always protect the protection of the child. That is our very utmost priority this afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The Chair is inclined to recognize na tingali grievance machinery sa DepEd to treat matters like this noon. Basig naa ba? Tungkol sa timeline nga, we will inform nga magsugod na ang district mate, Ozamiz City mate, ugma, October 8. And we deliberated this last Monday, October 6. So, the City Council took their time to act immediately nga karon na ang maghimo ang mong probe karon adlaw para may mawaan unsa na kay hinali kay ni urgent kay panahon ug mausugod na ang sumusubi li Ozamiz City niya wata kabalo sa panghitabo, no, ang sa mga inugdangan nga pabati sa mga hintungdan wata kabalo basig mudako ni ba munang ato ning gipanagaan masitol in the soonest time possible. So we would like to know. So any as member who wish to introduce remarks before we ask the DepEd on this matter. So Honorable Waminal, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is in connection to what has been manifested by my colleagues, no? Kuan maguno sa Mr. Chair, naka-create dig alarming karon sa Barangay Mulikay, dili lang kay sa Mulikay kundi throughout the city regarding this issue, rejections ni Eva Marie Kalahat. So nindot kay niya sila karon ng taga-DepEd ato po sila paminawon kung unsa pod ang ilang explain regarding this matter kay maot kayo paminawon kung dili din sa masitol Mr. Chair kay lagi naka-create dig alarming karon sa tibok dakbayan. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. So based on facts, among nibawaan, no, ang inyong district mate, August 8, humana na naikusisan. Apan natingalan ng inahan nga na may lain nga couple, pair nga ikunda siya anak. Gikan sa Minis. Although, I don't think this illegal nga mo transfer sa Jimenez to sa amin. Di na legal, no, that's allowed sa balaod. Ang taga-Jimenez sa eskwela, estudyante mo transfer sa amin, kung nasa role sa DepEd, okay naman na, wala na irregularity. Ang irregularity, nga ano, humana ang competition sa district, sa San City School, then namay lang contestant nga gikuha nga ikan sa Jimenez. Umato pa ni sa mga information na dawat, kini nga alleged contestant, napildi na ni sa Jimenez sa ilang district mate. Kung taga ka rin na couple. I don't know whether it's true or not. We want to hear from DepEd about this. So now we would like to hear first from the principal of such a school what matters which you are aware about this, sir. If you have anything to say about this. Principal sa Central School. Huh? SDS, okay. Thank you, sir. SDS along Bisuraon. SDS Liwagon.
Hello. Our warm Asenso greetings to the Honorable Chairmen and members of the 5 committees. The Quinta Committee composed of the Committees of Education, Youth, and Sports Development, Laws, Styles and Privileges, Good Government, Justice, and Human Rights, Women and Children. In behalf of the Schools Division of Ozamiz City, headed by SDS Lorena P. Cirano, CESO 6, and in the interest of the public justice, fairness, equality, and adherence of the long-standing principle of due process, we appear before you all today to present the comments, observations, and actions taken by the Department of Education relative to the issue at hand. Before I will start our presentation, allow me to introduce the personnel, though they were already introduced earlier. From DepEd, joining us today, we have Madam Milagros Mendoza, the Public Schools District Supervisor of District 2, Mr. Eugenio Sibukog, Principal 2 of OCCS, Mr. Alexis Labadisos, the Sports Focal Coordinator of OCCS, Madam Jane Sena, the Coach for Dance Sports, and Mr. Anthony P. Maruliano, Division Sports Officer. We are also joined today by Dr. Imelda Di Pongasi, the Chief Education Supervisor of the School Governance and Operations Division, where the sports program is lodged. Ms. Arlene Villa will catch up, the Division Learners' Rights Protection Officer and Partnership Focal Person. And with us also is Attorney Jessel Ann Arvega, the Division Legal Officer, or Attorney 3 of DepEd Ozamiz City. Honorable Sirs and Madams, the Schools Division of Ozamiz, with the leadership of SDS Lorena P. Cirano, was first informed of this issue last Friday, October 3, 2025, when Ms. Arlene Sevilla informed me through call that Honorable Sally M. Kalahat, her daughter, and the concerned learner were there in the SGOD office. Since it was lunch break, or towards 1 o'clock, I immediately requested Ms. Arlene to receive the concern and process whatever issue that the Honorable Punong Barangay has brought. Ms. Arlene Evia was joined by Mr. Anthony Pamarliano in hearing the sharing of Honorable Kalahat. Towards the end of the day, on that day, Friday, we were informed that the issue or complaint that was reported by Honorable Kalahat. As the issue reached the office at the last working day of the week, we were so determined to address the issue at hand immediately upon the opening of the new week. Our Schools Division Superintendent is on official travel at present, attending a national conference. So we really ensure that our actions are guided by her wisdom and with the existing laws, orders, and issuances protecting the rights of the children and those that are related to the conduct of sports competitions in the Department of Education. Subsequently, we had small group meetings yesterday morning, yesterday noontime, yesterday afternoon, and even in the evening. So together with Chief Imelda Pongasi, Ms. Arlene Sevilla, Attorney Jessel Ann Vega, and Mr. Anthony Maruliano to discuss the issue at hand. And as we prepare ourselves for our official communication to our office, to our SDS. In the interest of the public, justice, fairness, equality, and adherence of the long-standing principle in due process, we appear before you today to humbly deny the allegation on the prejudicial rejection of that dance sport enthusiast from OCCS to participate in the City Division meet. We are ever willing, as we will always be, to work with the local government unit of Ozamiz City in ensuring that the rights of every Ozamiznon learner is respected, protected, and given utmost concern. We thank this august body for providing us this avenue to hear our side and allow us to mention the actions undertaken by our SDO, the Schools Division of Ozamiz, headed by our SDS. So, to sum up, yesterday, our superintendent issued the Division Memorandum number 330, officially announcing the postponement of the conduct of the dance sport competition for the elementary level pending the discussion and for some other updates relative to this. And we are so thankful again to this august body for providing us this opportunity. Rest assured, the Schools Division of Ozamiz will provide the necessary feedback. But as of the moment, no, please allow me to mention again that we humbly deny the allegation that such learner was prejudicially denied, or there was this prejudicial rejection, and the rest of the speakers, the principal, the master teacher who is also the coach, the sports coordinator, the supervisor, and the sports officer in the division will provide the necessary information why we reach this point and why is there such thing as possibility of accommodating a possible set or couple for that contest without actually rejecting our main winners of OCCS, for that matter, Distrito. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, sir. Did sir istangpol nga very fast action sa atong SDS nga na-cancel sa ang na-repair sa ang CityMate, no? In the meantime, so kano sa sir postpone na by date?
Honorable Presiding Officer, it is postponed indefinitely. After all these issues are thrashed out and ironed out, then more importantly, considering the welfare, the consideration for the protection of the rights of our beloved Ozamiz non-learners po.
Okay,
sir.
thank you, sir. The chair would like to start. Tinuod ba nga humana ang competition sa dance sport sa senior school itong August 8? Humana, sir, itong August 8 ang dance sport competition?
Yes, sir, on August. So, may I also invite, sir, the school head or the district supervisor to comment later? Or basta, sir, I hereby confirm, sir, that the district meet in the context of OCCS is a one school, one district. So in for example, District 4, Maningkol is in District 4. Maningkol is the central. District 4 is composed of several schools. But in the case of OCCS, since it is a mega school of the number of learners and the number of teachers, so the one district, the one school is eventually classified as one district. So, Mr. Chair, I wish to give the floor to the principal and later
Okay,
to the
please,
PSTS.
please, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You have the floor, sir. Please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Regarding sa Ozamiz City Central School on the case of Kalahat, this learner who is told to be coming from Jimenez, she enrolled last last 2 weeks in Ozamiz City Central School, and then
Can we specify the date, sir? Last week, what date?
last week I can't determine the day. So the learners were enrolled, but not yet confirmed to our LIS, because all learners will be encoded in our LIS for confirmation to be an enrollee of the school. So they approached the school. Then I even asked the parent that why are you going to transfer your learner here in OCCS, and eventually the parent said that is because of the accessibility of her work from the school, the accessibility of her work. So she transferred the learner. So I didn't have the knowledge that they are also a dancer, a dance sport athlete. So that's why I accepted the enrollment of these learners.
Sir, can you educate us about the enrollment? Unsa enrollment sa senior school? Anytime ba sa sugod tama enrollment? Can you educate us, council?
I would like to give that to Ma'am Jency na, Your Honor, for the details, specific details of the
Okay, sir.
enrollment.
Thank you. Ma'am, you have the floor.
Honorable members of this body, I am Ma'am Jane Sena, the official coach of Ozamiz City Central School dance sport team. It is true that we had actually it's not a competition in our district, in our school, we stand as one district. So it was just a sort of, what's the term ato, sir? Selection. And then our duha man gud na ka discipline for the dance sport, the Latin and the standard. We only have one couple for each discipline. So technically, winner na gid sila. So humana ang mga documents okay na. And then I received a message, a reliable message from our technical manager and confirmed by our kaning tournament director, and it was also kanang gibutang naabot na sa DSO about regarding this transferee from other kanang district nga hoping to compete na with kanang honest intention and trust from these people. I actually asked the TD, our tournament manager nga is kuan ba aware ba ang division, and with the kanang understanding of the guideline about this kaning sports sa dance sports, it's okay. So I have the confidence pod kay it's from the higher authority manggod ang message nga it's okay. And considering that dance sport, 2 couples gid na ang ipadala for higher meet. 2 couples for every discipline. In OCCS, we only have 1 couple. So we only have 1 couple. So considering nga na ay another couple nga which is considered as okay pod from the division, so ako as coach, I was also very happy to accommodate this one kay it will be an additional honor for me lang, Your Honor ha, it will be an additional honor for OCCS if we will be able to send 2 couples for the division. Kay if ever they will win, so additional honor for Ozamiz City Division, the 2 couples will be competing in the provincial meet. So maura pod na ang nahitabo, but wala joy kanang issue nga our couple from OCCS will be denied of competing. Actually, duha sila ang mo represent Ozamiz City Central School, and hopefully if makadaog sila in the division, the 2 couples will represent in the provincial. Mauna ang kuan sa issue,
Okay, thank you.
Your
I
Honor.
was asking about enrollment. Do I understand from you that gi-enroll ng bata agikan sa gawas para lang ma-appeal sa dance sport division? Is that correct understanding, ma'am?
I have no idea about that, Your Honor, kay when our tournament manager informed me about that, ang iyara is kanang mo enroll in OCCS. And then, kani nga couple, kani mga bata are also dance sport couple. Wala po'y lay down nga istorya nga mao na ilang intention gyud nga mo compete gyud sila.
Dili klaro ang istorya nga gi-enroll toyo para mo-appeal sa dance sport. Wala na klaro.
Wala pod na gi-istorya man gyud pod.
Pero ang enrollment, unsa mga enrollment gyud?
May I
Anytime
answer
maka-enroll ba ang
the question,
estudyante?
Your Honor? Ang tinod sa enrollment is ni-approach jud sila sa school, ningon nga, sir, among transfer ang akong bata, duha ka buok. Then, sa ako diri man sila kay naman ako man ang school principal, so moabot gid sa school principal ang enrollment. So ako silang gipangutana, nganong i-transfer man nimo ang imong bata nga layo man ang Jimenez kaysa Ozamiz City Central School. So ningon siya nga accessible siya sa iyang trabaho, padulong dire. So yan lang pong kaon para pauli. So kada adlaw ka ma'am magdala sa imong bata. Yung sir nga sige lang sir kuan lang gyud kanang unsa to yung term nga sakripisyo lang. Na walay kuan wala gyud nag-mention nga mo compete sila sa dance sport. Kato ang yang main reason nga gihatag sa OCCS. That's why we accepted the enrollment. Because in enrolling, dili gunta pwede nga mo balibad sa mga bata nga magpa-enroll sa atong eskwelahan. That's all, Your Honor.
So, as it is, mura ko lang nagbalibad sa kaning sa complainant nga di ma-appeal, wala nagbalibad, no? Denied. So, I can ask my colleagues, unsa inyong panarin ko